to our channel. If you're new here, my name is Megha.
And my name is Mahith.
If you have not subscribed yet, please do subscribe. Are you guys wondering why we have these two plants here today?
As you know, it's vacation time. We're going on a short trip to Disneyland Paris tomorrow.
And we were thinking about a good way to water these plants while we were gone. And we found a wonderful idea. So we wanted to share it with you guys.
Before we do that, let us introduce you to these two plants. This is our cute little Tulsi plant, and it is also known as a holly basil. Tulsi is a medicinal plant. It is used in Ayurvedic medicine. It contains vitamin C and antioxidants. It's good for heart and kidney and is also used for eye health.
Here is our curry leaves plant. It is used for seasoning in Indian dishes, which gives it a special flavour. It is rich in calcium, iron, fibre and vitamin A, B and C. It fights diabetes, helps digestion and reduces cholesterol.
Okay, Megha, we're coming back to watering the plants. What's your idea?
Well, you need a bottle of water, you open the lid and you put a very tiny dot on the cap.
Okay.
Then you close the lid. And as you can see, there are water coming out drop by drop.
Oh yeah.
Now you make a small hole on the compost as you can see. And then you put the water bottle upside down. Now the water will dispense drop by drop and the plant will stay watered for 2 to 3 days until we come back. When you're digging the hole in the compost, please make sure that the roots of the plant are safe.
Thank you, Megha. It was wonderful. Okay, my dear little plants. Hope you have enough water till we come back. We hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. We'll see you soon with another video. Bye! Thank you.